the big land scam in Goa.
Goa is burning right now. What's happening in Goa? Right now, I am at TCP office, Town and Country Planning office, Panjim, and thousands of people are gathered over here. They are demanding the resignation of Chief Town Planner Rajesh Naik.
The idiot doesn't, I'm calling him an idiot. Rajesh Naik is an idiot.
Because land is being converted in Goa wholesale every day.
The idiot doesn't understand his signature is there everywhere.
या बिल्डिंगेन चलता सगळे.
Today, there is exhibition being held in Delhi.
People are angry. People are very angry. There is fire.
So the fight will continue. Whether it is Dr. Sawant or Rane or his entire gang.
The lakhs of square meter land has been converted to settlement from paddy field, no development zone, no development slope, and in the protest of this, the thousands of people are gathered over here. And they are protesting against the Chief Minister of Goa, Pramod Sawant, and TCP Minister, the Vishwajit Rane.
Because Ocean land conversion, also blatant sale of Goa.
There are rates set for conversion.
It is the beginning of the end.
Exactly what are their demands? Let's hear from them. So what is exactly happening right now, sir?
See, right now we have gathered outside the TCP office to protest against the big land scam in Goa. Because land is being converted in Goa wholesale every day. Every day. Now while we are talking, land is being converted somewhere in Pedne, whatever, in various talukas of Goa.
This corrupt government has been bringing criminal laws, I will say criminal laws. First they brought 16B, converting all this agricultural land and non-development zone. When it was challenged, there was pressure, they brought 17(2). Now 39A. So one after the other they bring. It is old wine in a new bottle. That's it.
From what I have seen of all the conversions, he has done more damage than any chief town planner has done to the environment of the state. Now 95% of the 40 lakh square meters of zone changes that Mr. Naik has approved, out of this, 95% is basically forests, fields, no development slopes. No development slopes is 30% of the amount of zone changes they have done. And they are saying that we don't want to be like Wayanad disaster and so on.
This is your fountain beauty. Take care of Goa for our future generations. So I request every Goan, whether you are from the opposition or ruling, come together. Let us fight this government that is out to destroy our Goa. Let us come together to protect our Goa for our future generations. It is only the power of the people that can save Goa.
Destruction of Goa is whole scale. म्हणजे we are saying beginning नी, it is the beginning of the end. It is the beginning of the end. आम्ही गोवा बचाव अभियान केल्लें आसा. हाचे पयलीं खूब आंदोलनां केल्लीं आसा. हें म्हाका दिसता फायनल एंथनी डिसिल्वा पुट इन निमणें झूज.
What is happening to Goa is actually, I would say, a crime. Everybody knows how small our Goa is. Our Goa is a dot on the map. And therefore, when we allow any project, we have to first study the carrying capacity of the state, which is very, very important. Can our tiny state contain this project?
How they can sign like this and rampantly they can...
It is illegal. It is illegal because you cannot sign a file for conversion of a no development slope because that is the definition. And the town planner, the chief town planner, is duty bound to enforce the regional plan. So he himself cannot start, immobilizing and dismantling the regional plan. That is not his job. His job is to prepare the regional plan. His job is not to dismantle the regional plan. If this plan is of no use, then they have to call for a revision of the regional plan. When there is a revision of the regional plan, everybody gets back on the drawing table. All the panchayats are consulted, all the departments are consulted. Everybody is consulted before a new regional plan is produced, a revised regional plan is produced. But this is not revision. Everybody is doing whatever he wants. I am so and so, I want my zone change. I go to them, he fills a form.
So
Everything is okay.
Today there is exhibition being held in Delhi. Survey number, all details are there. You just pick and choose which property you want to buy. Goa is not going to remain the same, and we have to fight.
In another 2 years, 5 years, 2-3 years time, Goa will be finished. It is being sold every day to Delhiites. It is a close nexus.
Where will our children go? If our forefathers, if our parents had kept a good, secure Goa for us, it is our responsibility to keep Goa for our future generation. Otherwise, they will ask, what did we do when such crooks were ruling Goa?
Now, if you just take the Bhutani project in the village of Sankwal, okay, this project in survey number 275/1 is a project that is going to put up 724 units, of which 42 units, of which 40 or 42 units are villas and the rest are buildings, okay, and each and every unit is going to have a swimming pool. The question to be asked is, from where is the water going to be provided for these swimming pools?
The gradients are being altered. The eco-sensitive zones are being converted to settlement. Settlement म्हणजे टोटल म्हणजे एवरीवेअर इट इज सेटलमेंट. आणि पळय आमकां पयलीं उदक ना आनी 750 फ्लॅट्स ऑफ भुतानी तांकां विथ प्रायवेट स्विमींग पूल. सो खंयच्यान उदक येतलें? आफ्टर पासिंग अवे ऑफ वन पर्टिक्युलर लिडर न्ही, ही वॉज अ टॉल लिडर. यू सी होल स्केल इट इज फ्री फॉर ऑल. म्हणजे तूं कितेंय करपाक शकता. इतली दादागिरी वाडल्या न्ही, दे डोंट केअर नाव. तुमी उलयता कितें कोण केअर करना. सो दीस इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. सो वी आर सेंडिंग अ सिग्नल अंडर द लिडरशीप ऑफ स्वप्नील शेल्लेकार.
So the fight will continue, whether it is Dr. Sawant or Rane or his entire gang. These are only selling land.
Now we were inspecting the files for the Tamnar project in the electricity department just 2 days ago. The electricity department has asked for additional 220 kV to be installed on the 400 kV line that is coming. And the reasons given are 5 SCZs in different locations of Goa. Now SCZs were cancelled in 2008. 15 of them were cancelled. Mr. Digambar Kamath said we are burying SCZ policy. Today the Department of Electricity is preparing the ground for 5 SCZs in different parts. It's in the file. It's on the file. We have asked for RTI inspection. We are getting the copies. But this is the extent. Goans don't know. They are like innocent people. But over and above, these great actors, Mr. Pramod Sawant, Vishwajit Rane, all that, they are playing with the entire scenario of Goa. And there are plans for Goa, which if they are disclosed now, people would go to their houses in a rage and boot them out of office. The people only know. That is why they don't want them to know.
Right now, Bhutani has gone and encircled the entire survey number with a compound wall, without considering the fact that there are 2 private owners in this land. Okay, now isn't it the responsibility of our government, of the government of Goa, the concerned departments, to ensure that the local owners in survey number 257/1 are taken care of? Now their little properties are also encircled by this compound wall, and they cannot go to their properties to carry out the traditional functions of plucking cashews, extracting juice from the cashew. All that has come to a halt. I mean, where is the law?
जे आनी जायना हे टॉलरेट जावचें ना. आणि दिस इज नॉट फॉर अस, दिस इज फॉर द फ्युचर जनरेशन्स. आनी आमी म्हणपाक शकना ओगी रावले म्हणून. लोक आयले, पीपल आर एंग्री, पीपल आर व्हेरी एंग्री. देर इज फायर बिकॉज अशें लँड कन्वर्जन, असो ब्लेटंट सेल ऑफ गोवा असो सेल ऑफ गोवा कन्वर्शन लँड कन्वर्शन कितें चलता ह्या बिल्डिंगेन चलता सगळें ह्या बिल्डिंगेन चलता सगळें आनी इज देर गव्हर्मेंट इन प्लेस इज टोटल एनआरकी लँडलेस म्हणजे कोणी भायले दिल्ली पार्टी येता गोवा को सेल इट इज अ सेल.
There are ministers who are selling our culture. They are lording over the drug trade in Goa, in North Goa. So we'll go after everybody.
And that is why this protest, because we said, do you know how many square meters of land has been changed in Goa? Mr. Vishwajit Rane says 6 crore square meters of land is to be converted. 6 crore. He has placed that document in the assembly because he said there are 6 crore errors, square meters. Now they have reached already half a crore. 49 lakh square meters converted. And every file signed by Rajesh Naik. Now what are we paying him?
When there is a regional plan, why are you bringing these notifications or different laws? That is because you are admitting that regional plan was not correct, which we had challenged. You have been defending regional plan, then approval has to be in accordance with the regional plan, yes or no? Because it cannot be given, now you are bringing these illegal laws. You are making money. There are, I believe, rates set. There are rates set for conversion. This is the problem. And if these fellows, one is the ministers, MLAs, now we are going after the officials. Till today we were sparing the officials, now we'll go after the officials. Why Rajesh Naik has been given extension after extension? Because he is a willing babu to sell Goa. The idiot doesn't, I'm calling him an idiot, Rajesh Naik is an idiot. The idiot doesn't understand, his signature is there everywhere.
And if anybody comes to damage the environment of the state, they do it for some time, the population rebels. This happened in regional plan, this happened with SCZ, this happened with Nylon 66, it has happened with hundreds of projects that have come up. The people rebel and throw them out. This is the latest manifestation, that you bring in 17(2), 16(b), 39(a), nothing will help you because the public will not allow you to do so.
This has to stop. And I have no doubt there's going to be a revolution because people are fed up and people cannot take this anymore. We have to think of our future generations. We have to think of our children. We enjoyed a beautiful Goa. We want our children to enjoy the beautiful Goa that we did.